How to fix Roblox not launching? First step, restart your device. Once the restart complete after, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down. Search for Roblox. It should be enabled in both private and public. If the application is not having means you need to click Allow another app in the bottom side. Click it. Click Browse. Go to C drive. You need to go to the installation location. Click it and add it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Close it. Next step, open run. Type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Delete it. Once the deleting complete after, you need to check. If the problem still remains, then the next step, click settings. Click app settings. Click install app. Scroll down. Search for Roblox application. Click the three dot icon. Click uninstall. Once the uninstall complete after, restart your device. After restart, reinstall Roblox. Installation is completed. Next step, right click Roblox application. Click properties. Click compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. And make sure the disable full screen optimization. It should be in disable mode. Click apply and OK. After completing the next step, you need to open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space. Right click it. Click properties. Click tools. Click check and scan the drive. It's actively scanning your C drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Restart your device. Thank you.